Before you pull the trigger on buying Lano, here are 7 key things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other platforms or just trying to decide if it's the right tool for you, this video will cover all the critical details that can help you make an informed decision. The first thing you should know about Lano is that it offers a comprehensive solution for global teams. Unlike other project management tools like Asana or Monday.com, which are more general in their features, Lano focuses on the complexities of managing international teams. From payroll management to compliance with tax laws, it's designed to simplify the challenges that come with hiring across borders. This focus on international work makes it stand out if you're a business with a global reach or you're working with remote teams from different countries. Next thing you should consider is its integration capabilities. Lano seamlessly connects with tools you likely already use, like Slack, Zoom, and Google Workspace. This ease of integration makes it a strong contender compared to competitors like Deal or Remote, which also specialize in global workforce management. Lano's ability to plug into your existing tech stack means you don't have to worry about rebuilding your workflows from scratch. It's all about efficiency, and Lano has done a great job in streamlining the process. The third thing to note is Lano's user-friendly interface. If you've ever tried to use a complex platform like Workday or SAP, you know how quickly those tools can become overwhelming. Lano, on the other hand, is designed with simplicity in mind. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, even for people without a background in HR or finance. You won't need to waste time learning how to use it, making it much more accessible for small to medium-sized businesses compared to its competitors. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Lano's pricing structure. While many software options have hidden fees or complex tiered pricing, Lano's pricing is more straightforward. You only pay for what you use, and there's no hefty upfront cost. This pay-as-you-go model can be particularly appealing for startups or businesses that want to avoid tying up capital in expensive software subscriptions. The fifth thing is its customer support. One of the standout features of Lano is its responsive customer service team. Many users report quick resolutions and helpful advice when navigating the software. Compared to other platforms like Rippling, which sometimes has mixed reviews for customer support, Lano's team is dedicated to making sure you get the most out of your experience. If you're new to the platform, the assistance available can make the transition much smoother. The sixth thing to understand about Lano is its scalability. If you're a small team now but plan to expand rapidly, Lano is built to grow with you. This flexibility means you can start small, and as your team grows, Lano scales without missing a beat. This is particularly important if you're comparing it to competitors like Deal, where scalability can sometimes require a more customized approach that comes at an additional cost. The seventh and final point is Lano's focus on security. As with any software that handles sensitive financial data, security is paramount. Lano meets the highest standards for data protection and compliance, ensuring your company remains secure while managing international payroll and taxes. This is critical if you're comparing it to tools like Gusto or Papaya Global, which may not offer the same level of security and regulatory compliance across different countries. So, if you're considering Lano and want to test it out for yourself, make sure you check out the first link in the description below. You can get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits, so you can see if it's the right fit for your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make your global team management easier, more efficient, and secure.